Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. Let's start our class. Today we are going to learn about syllables. What is a syllable? A syllable is the sound of a vowel that is created while pronouncing the letters. As you all know, vowels are the words A, E, I, O, U. A syllable is the sound of the vowel, and their combinations we can say that the number of times that you hear the sound of a vowel is the word of syllables in a word. यानी कि syllables कैसे बनते हैं, द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स, यानी जब भी एक वर्ड में एक वोवल आता है तब वो वर्ड एक सिलेबल बनाता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ वोवल्स. यानी एक वर्ड में जितने वोवल्स होंगे उतने ही सिलेबल्स उसके बनेंगे. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, एवरी सिलेबल मस्ट हैव अ वोवल. You can determine how many syllable a word has based on how many vowels are in that word. इसका मतलब है कि हर वोवल वर्ड एक सिलेबल बनाता है. लेट्स सी फ्रॉम द एग्जाम्पल. स्नैप, A is a vowel word, so there is only one syllable. Snap. Basket, there are two vowel words, so the syllables will also be two. Basket. Now let's see some examples. Napkin. Now look into nap. There is one vowel word and kin. I is also a vowel word. So these are two syllables in the word. The next example, robot. There are also two syllables in this word. Count the syllables. Banana. Now look at this. There are three vowel words, so the syllable will also be three. Banana. Watermelon. There are four syllable words because there are four vowels in the word. Watermelon. Okay. Let's see the other examples. Helicopter. There are four syllable vowel words in this word. Alligator. Caterpillar. There are four vowels in the words, so the syllables will also be four in the word. Clap the syllables in each word and circle the correct number of claps. Carrot. So there are two vowel words, so the syllables will also be two. Carrot. And in the next word, there's only one syllable. Book. Remember this, students, when two syllables are together used in a words, they will make only one syllable. Okay. Let's do part B from our textbook. Divide each word given below into syllables and learn the correct pronunciation. Cartoon. Now look at this. Cartoon. There are two syllables in this word. Umbrella. There are three vowel words, so the syllables will also be three. Umbrella. Helicopter. Helicopter. Spaghetti. Dishwasher. There are three vowel words, so the syllables will also be three. Elephant. There are only two syllables. Alligator. There are four syllables in the word. Alligator. Caterpillar. There are four syllables in the word. Now look at this. Watermelon. Four vowel words, so the syllable will also be four. Macaroni. In this word there is also four syllables. Now let's do another topic, which is dialogue. What is a dialogue? A dialogue is a conversation between two persons. दो लोगों के दरमियान जो बातचीत होती है उसको हम कहते हैं dialogue. When you write dialogue, you stating a person's exact words. यानी कि जब भी आप dialogue write करते हैं आप उस person के बोले हुए exact words quote करते हैं in the dialogue. What is the purpose of writing a dialogue? इसको लिखने का मकसद ये है कि ये एक पर्सन के थॉट्स और फील्स को बताता है कि एक पर्सन एक चीज़ के बारे में कैसे फील करता है या उसके बारे में क्या सोचता है. एंड इट ऑल्सो शोज़ व्हाट अ कैरेक्टर्स लाइक. डायलॉग से हमें ये भी पता चलता है कि एक पर्सन जो है वो क्या लाइक करता है, यानी उसकी पसंद नापसंद क्या है। लेट्स राइट डायलॉग बिटवीन टू फ्रेंड्स ऑन द टॉपिक ऑफ समर सीजन. We are going to write a dialogue between two friends. You can also write you and your friend's name. Let's start. You. Hi, how are you? Friend. I'm fine. How about you? You. I'm fine too. Aren't you excited about summer season? Friend. Yes, I am excited about it because I love to eat mangoes in this season. जैसा कि हमने पीछे वीडियो में पढ़ा, इसमें एक करैक्टर जो है वो अपनी पसंद के बारे में, लाइकिंग्स डिसलाइकिंग्स के बारे में बताता है, जिस तरह उसका फ्रेंड बता रहा है कि वो मैंगोज़ को लाइक करता है इन द समर सीज़न. यू. येस, आई लव मैंगोज़ टू एंड आई ऑल्सो लाइक स्विमिंग. अब वो बता रहा है कि मुझे भी मैंगोज़ पसंद हैं, उसके साथ साथ मुझे स्विमिंग भी बहुत पसंद है. फ्रेंड. येस, स्विमिंग इज़ ऑल्सो गुड एक्टिविटी टू कीप योर सेल्फ कूल इन हॉट डेज ऑफ समर सीज़न. यानी कि स्विमिंग जो है वो हमें समर सीज़न में कूल रखने के लिए एक अच्छी एक्टिविटी है. यू. लेट्स enjoy दिस सीज़न टुगेदर. फ्रेंड. येस, इट्स फाइन विद मी. यू. ओके, सी यू देन, बाय. Friends, see you, bye. So this was the whole dialogue between you and your friends about the summer season. You were discussing about the summer seasons and telling about each other your personal likings and dislikings about this season. Now the other topic, which is about consonant clusters. As you know, except for the vowel words A, E, I, O, U, they are all the consonants. A consonant cluster, as you all know, cluster is a group of something. A consonant cluster in a word is a group of consonants with no vowels between them. कॉन्सोनेंट क्लस्टर्स मीन्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ कॉन्सोनेंट्स इन अ वर्ड. यानी कि एक लफ्ज़ में जब एक से ज़्यादा कॉन्सोनेंट यूज़ होते हैं तो वो क्या हो जाते हैं, कॉन्सोनेंट क्लस्टर्स, और उनके दरमियान में वोवल वर्ड यूज़ नहीं होता. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, FL, दिस इज़ द consonant cluster. PL is also a consonant cluster as there is no vowel between these two words. FL, flower, flame, plant, plane. Let's do question from our workbook. Write words which start with the following letters. One is done for you. These are the consonant clusters CH, SH, TH. We will make different words from these consonant clusters. Let's start. CH, chat, chill, chair, charge, chip. TH, tree, thick, thin, throw, thumb. And SH, ship, shell, show, shirt, sharp. As you can see, there is no vowel word between these cluster words. La, la.